In Windows 11, is your network adapter missing? I'll demonstrate 2 easy ways to help you regain it. Open the search menu and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. After seeing successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. Close the command prompt and restart your computer to see if the network adapter reappears. If the network adapter is still missing, right-click on the Start button and select Settings. Go to Network and Internet on the left side. Scroll down and select Advanced Network Settings. Click on Network Reset. Confirm by selecting Reset Now, and then Yes. Restart your computer. Note, you may need to re-enter your Wi-Fi credentials to reconnect. After restarting, check if your network adapter is now visible. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.